Display has been suspended. We will advise when the flying display is to resume. Please rest assured that everything that can be done is being done. The experts are on the job and they are responding as appropriately. Please stand by for further advice. As I said before, perhaps don't use your phones at the moment in case the first responders require the use of the phone connections. Just remaining calm, and we will advise, and please stand by for further advice. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, due to an incident, it has been regretfully decided that the flying display has been suspended. We will advise when the flying display is to resume. Please stand by for further notice. As you have seen, we have had an aircraft incident which is currently being attended to by emergency services. The pilot is alive, his condition is critical but stable, and he is being treated for his injuries. We are currently awaiting advice from the Aviation Safety Transport Bureau, but we can confirm that the flying for today is concluded. We will shortly advise all patrons on future arrangements. Thank you.
Не буду больше.